What is happening, everybody? We've got another shoot vlog with Karina. She's back. Where has she gone? There she is. We are another episode in Richmond Park. Gonna get the stuff out. We had to wait till whatever clock, what clock is it? Like 6 something now, nearly 7. Because yeah, it was baking today, so we were definitely not shooting and sweating at the same time. That'd be ridiculous. But let's get to some shooting. We've got the props.
We got bread then.
Got bread, lemons. We've got all sorts. The basket itself. I'm gonna start off with the 135 bad boy, and then I'll probably switch it up to obviously 2470. But yeah, I'm gonna start off with this as we have loads of space to use it, so we're getting the nice benefits of the lens. So hold that. Nice. That's it, that's perfect. Nice. Alright, we're currently on a mission to find some deer. We found some, but it's the Bambi looking deer, and they run away. They're very scared, so they run away very quickly. So we need to find the bigger brown ones. They're not so afraid, so you can get a bit closer. But that is the mission for today. shoot location. We're in the tree. We're doing Tarzan.
On the tree.
Tarzan on the tree. Hopefully, you know, a deer. If you feel like you want to come out, now would be the time. Wow, hold that. We found this incredible light coming through here, so set up camp here. I'm gonna use the 135. I'm gonna have Karina like in the middle right here, get some nice b-roll footage. And it's raining. See what I mean about London? The nice sunlight whilst it's starting to pour down with rain. Oh my day.
Abawashidaya mama ay ngangatay watiskinga Nuane foda kudus nganga ay kauda ashuti kauda nganga Abawashidaya mama ay ngangatay watiskinga
Race against time. We're doing so much other shots, we missed the main event, but we'll catch it.